Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So today I am going to be doing a review on the Gucci Marmont collection. I have 3 items from the collection. I have the belt, the super mini bag, and then I have the Thong Sandals. So yeah, if you think you would be interested, make sure that you guys keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. Alright, so we're going to start off with the thing that I purchased first from the collection, which was the Marmont belt. And let me show you guys. Here it is. It's just it in the dust bag. It says Gucci. And here is the belt. It has the logo, and then it's just a plain black belt. So this belt is actually a kid's belt. It's the size large. Yeah, so I actually was looking at the belts for a while. Earlier this year I purchased this, I believe in February, and I was looking at this belt for a while. I was like, oh, like, should I get it, should I not? I was looking at a lot of reviews on YouTube. There were a couple ladies that were my size, and they actually were saying how they got the large, the belt. They fit the Gucci large and the kids. And of course, you know, that it was really hard to find the large. So I actually ended up finding it on a website called Melijo. It's an Italy-based company, and they're similar to Child's Play clothing. I don't know if you heard of that, but yeah, I found it on there. It was literally, I think, like the last one. I got super lucky, and they had the size large, and I was like, oh, what if it doesn't fit? But they had a good return policy, so I was like, whatever, like, I'll just try it, and if it doesn't fit, I'll just return it. So yeah, it came and it actually fit. I usually wear it like on the second buckle. I could try the third, but usually I just wear on the second buckle. I kind of wish I would have just got the adult. I think they have like the size 65, which is the smallest one. I kind of wish I would have got that one, just because this one I really only can wear high-waisted, which when I first got it I wasn't really like worried about it because I literally only wear high-waisted things. I kind of would have liked to have the option to wear it both. Yeah, I was excited to be able to fit the kids because I think the kids belts are like $250 and then the adults are like double that. So I was able to save a couple bucks, so I was excited about that. And one thing that I kind of feel about the entire Gucci Marmont collection is itself is like the logo scratches so easily. You have to be so careful. Like, I have some scratches. You're probably not even gonna be able to see. They aren't too bad, and I feel like this collection already kind of has like a vintage type of vibe. So I mean, the scratches, they just kind of add to like that distressed vintage look. So they don't really bother me too much, but just to let you guys know, these scratch really easily. Overall, I definitely will recommend getting this. I think it's iconic. Like, I feel like so many people have this belt. I just feel like it's such an iconic piece. You can wear it so much. You can wear it dressed up, you can wear it dressed down. Like, you can just, like, it's definitely a classic belt. You know, it has just a simple logo. I feel like this is definitely something to invest in. And, you know, everybody needs like a nice belt. All right, so the next thing that I'm gonna talk about are the Thong Sandals. They come in dust bags like this. Okay, so this is the logos. So these were actually like an impulse buy. I was in Miami. I just went inside the store. I was in the Miami Design District, and I just went inside the store just to look at them because I was set on getting the Christian Dior sandals. I have been looking at these for a while. I think like in March I was looking at these, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna get them. I'm just gonna get the Christian Dior ones because I just heard so many bad reviews about these sandals. I heard that they were hard. I heard that the sizing was weird. Like, I just heard a lot of bad reviews, so I was like, oh, like, I don't think I'm gonna get them. Like, they're not gonna be worth it. So I was like kind of set on the Christian Dior ones because I heard a lot of good reviews about those. So I was like, okay, like, I think I'm just gonna get those. So I just went inside the store just to look. And then I told the guy, like, hey, I wear a size 7. I don't know if maybe I should get a 7.5 or a 7 just to see, you know, just to try it on. So he came to the back, he came back, and he was like, oh, we only have a 37. So I was like, okay, like, I really didn't expect them to fit just because like a lot of reviews were saying that you have to size up like 1 size or 2 sizes. Like, they were just saying that the sizing was really weird. So I wasn't really expecting to fit them. So I was like, okay, whatever, I'll just try them on like while I'm in the store. So I tried them on and they fit. And they're the only size, and I was like, oh my god, this like fade, like this is so weird. So So I was like, okay, you know what, like I'm just gonna get them. Like I can wear them with my belt, and yeah, like I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear with them because I wear my belt a lot, and then I can just wear the sandals. And I live in the South, so it's usually hot. So I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of sandals. So I was like, okay, whatever, I'm gonna get them. So one thing I do have to say is the first time I wore them, I tripped and already messed them up. I don't know if you can see, but like right here, it's chipped. And then right here is messed up, and right here. So as far as comfort and like them being true to size, I do feel like they are true to size. If you have a narrow foot, I would recommend just, you know, staying true to size because they fit perfect to me. I could have went half a size bigger, but then I think that this part would have been really loose. As far as comfort goes, I'm not gonna lie, they're not the most comfortable shoe ever. You know, obviously they're not gonna be as comfortable as like a pair of Birkenstocks, but I don't think that they're as bad as a lot of the reviews that I was hearing about. People were just saying that, oh my God, they just feel like you're just walking on wood, like they just fit terrible, they're just hard, like they give me blisters. Like I just feel like that's a little bit over exaggerating. Like they're not gonna give you blisters. I just think you just have to get used to the material. Like I wore this when I was out shopping. I wore them when I went to dinner. Like I didn't really see a problem. Like I said, the first time I did trip on them just because I wasn't used to them, because they are like kind of hard. They're like a hard material. I just wasn't used to wearing this type of material. So I would probably suggest just wearing them around your house for a little bit before you wear them out, just so you can get used to them and kind of break them in a little bit. But I feel like once you break them in, like they're bearable. I think wearing them day to day, you know, like going shopping, wearing them to go get lunch or food, things like that, like I don't see a problem. Like I feel like they would be comfortable. Your feet aren't going to be hurting. So yeah, I definitely recommend these. And they're just such a classic shoe, and you, like I said, you can pair them with other things from the collection, and then like you can have a really basic outfit, like an outfit like just a plain dress like what I have on, and then I have on these sandals and then my bag, or like just a white t-shirt, jeans. I have on these sandals, my belt, and then, you know, it looks like a look, but I just have on something super easy and plain. So yeah, I would recommend these shoes. I think that they're worth it. You just have to like just get used to the material that it is. But I would suggest, if you have a narrow foot, stay true to size, and then yeah, you just have to get used to the material, and I think these would be perfect for you. All right, so the last thing of my Marmont collection is the bag, the most important thing, right? So this was, I literally was not planning on buying this at all. Like I would just be like, why would somebody spend $800 on a bag this small? You literally can't even fit anything in it. Once I got the belt, I was like, this would be so cute if I had like a bag to match it. But then I was like, you know what, no, like it's just way too small. I'm not even gonna be able to fit anything in it. And then I already have enough black and gold bags, like black bags with gold hardware. I was just like, no, like that's just, I'm not gonna do it. Well, like I was saying, I was already in the Gucci store in Miami. I had tried on the shoes. I was like, okay, I got them. So then I was looking at the bags, and I was like, oh, while I'm here, like let me just look at them, because I had never like tried it on myself. I would just, you know, I would look in the store and look at it, but I never like tried it on and like really kind of, you know, felt it or anything like that. Well, I tried it on, and that was actually with some of my friends. I think, what did I have? I had like my little small YSL bag that I don't really fit that much in it, the flat Uptown bag. I just did a review on it, so make sure that you guys watch it. But I had that on, and that like, it doesn't really fit that much in that bag either. So one of my friends was like, hey, see if she can fit all of the things in this bag, in this small bag. And I was like, yeah, you can fit so much stuff in here. Oh, let me show you guys the bag. Here it is. But he was like, yeah, you guys, you can fit so much in this bag. Like he was just saying like, yeah, you can fit a lot. Like it looks small, but you can fit a lot of stuff in it. And I was like, no, I don't believe you. Like it's just so small. And when I tell you, you can fit so much stuff in this bag. Like literally, I could fit my phone in here. I fit my card holder. I fit my lip gloss. I even had like a hair scarf because my edges were just not laid. So I was like, here, I had that. I fit that in here. Like I fit so much in here, and I was just like, what? Like how can this little bag fit so much? But the thing, what he told me is like, because the leather is so soft, like this is a bag that you can overstuff, and that's something that I kind of steer away from. I don't like to overstuff my bags just because it loses shape. But he was just telling me like, that's just like how people wear this bag. Like this is a bag that you can overstuff. And then one thing, like he was just showing me how I could wear it crossbody, how I could wear it as a belt bag. And he even had like a cute little twilly on it. And like he was just showing me how versatile this bag was. And I was just like, oh my God, I just got wrapped in it. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. And here I am with it. Do I regret it? No. I wear this bag so much. I never ever thought I would wear this bag as much as I do, just because like I can wear it as a belt bag. I do wear it crossbody. I even wear it like as a shoulder bag at night. Like I get so much wear out of this bag. And it has this, so you can kind of do the belt bag, or you can put your keys in here. You can clip this to another bag. I've seen people do that before too. They clip this to like a tote bag or something. So yeah, this bag is just, I'm actually really happy that I got it, even though like I just would be like, oh my God, why would you spend this much on the bag this little? But I fit just as much of stuff in my other bags that I fit in this bag, so it's really like the same. And yeah, I'll show you guys. I have the XR. I don't have all my things in front of me, but I'll just show you guys how I can fit my phone, and I still have a lot of space. Like I still have all of this, and then I have a lip gloss in front of me, so I'll put that in here. But yeah, I have a lip gloss. I still can fit like keys and other things, like, and as you can see, like it just kind of like naturally just kind of extends itself, and it doesn't even look like over super bulky or anything. And then here's the heart that you guys see everywhere. So my overall thoughts on the Marmont collection is, I definitely feel like this is a classic collection. Like I don't feel like it's going to be going anywhere. Like this is one of Gucci's like iconic collections, just because it's super popular right now. They just keep on making like different bags, different sizes, like, you know, just different alternative bags of this just collection. I definitely feel like this is 10 years from now, like I said earlier, like this collection is still going to be relevant. I don't really see myself getting anything else, but hey, you never know. I wouldn't mind getting like a bigger version of the Marmont bag, maybe in a different color, or maybe a belt in a different color, maybe like a brown belt. I don't know. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel.
Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat.